Well, greetings, my YouTube friends. Happy Friday to you. I hope you had a very good week, and I sure did. It's been cooling down kind of today a little bit, but well, last weekend, then I'll be back to work. But I want to share with you. I just finished getting a birdhouse posted in the backyard, and I'd like to show you how it looks. Take a walk to the backyard. Oh, it sounds like somebody's using their blower or something for leaves. It's probably low 40s out here. I put concrete in the bottom. There it is right there. Got a couple stabilizers on the bottom there to hold her steady while the concrete cures. But yep, you can see I put a yellow stripe on the deck. But I'm going to try hanging the bird feeder from there. And the squirrels have been over here raiding it. The squirrels are making a mess of this. And they're raiding that thing. They're climbing the deck posts, sitting right up here, grabbing whatever they want, eating it on the post. They could stand there on the post and eat it. So, maybe after this cures, I'll try to move that over here somehow. A pole, I'll have a hard time getting to it up there. But yeah, you can see I got a window in the backside. Put a plexiglass window in there if you want. No sharp screws. I spent a lot of time on the mounting, as you see. That's what I've been doing the last couple of days. It's not gonna, the main screws are these big 3-inch leg screws. It's mounted on the bottom real well. The leg screws and also a couple of regular cabinet screws. How's the stabilizer? I have dirt the last foot, or probably the last, probably a foot. But the other 2 feet are all concrete, and I have a deck board also screwed on the bottom as a footing to help hold it in the ground so the wind don't blow it over. But after it cures, I bet you I could sit on top of that thing. It's so solid. It was easy to build though. I had all that extra wood. But you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I am too. My last weekend before working. You guys take care. Bye now.